In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share subscribe link for LinkedIn newsletters. If you publish a newsletter on LinkedIn, sharing a direct subscribe link is the fastest way to grow your audience. I'll walk you through the exact clicks inside LinkedIn so you can copy that link and share it anywhere, your posts, emails, website, or social profiles. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type LinkedIn. Then select the official LinkedIn website from the results. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your profile and publishing tools. Once you land on the LinkedIn home feed, look along the top navigation bar. Click on the My Network tab. This section is where LinkedIn groups together your connections, contacts, and content you manage. On the left side of the page, you'll see the Network Overview panel. This sidebar lists several categories that help you manage different parts of your network. If you don't immediately see the option you need, that's expected. Some items are collapsed by default. Click Show More to expand the list and reveal additional tools. Now select Newsletters. This opens your newsletter manager, where LinkedIn displays newsletters connected to your account. You should see the newsletters you manage or follow. For sharing a subscribe link, focus on the ones you created or co-manage. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct title and publication details so you don't copy a link for the wrong newsletter. Find the specific newsletter you want to share and click the three dots, sometimes labeled More. This menu contains actions related to that newsletter. Choose Copy Link to share. LinkedIn will place the subscription link on your clipboard instantly. From here, you can paste it anywhere. A LinkedIn post, a message to your audience, your email newsletter, or your website. It's a good idea to test the link in a private browser window to confirm it opens the correct newsletter page and shows the subscribe option. For best results, share the link with a short explanation of what your newsletter covers and how often you publish. If you use link shorteners or tracking, apply them after copying, and be sure you're still directing people to the public subscribe page. That's it! You've copied the official LinkedIn newsletter subscribe link, and you're ready to share it widely. Keep this process handy each time you publish or promote, and you'll make it easy for people to join your audience with a single click.